Okay, so I gotta stay out here near work tonight, so I don't have to drive 2 hours and some change back tomorrow. So I'm out here looking for a place, set up my tent, just park the car, and go for a little walk. There's a lot of snow still on the ground, so I may have to fall back to another spot over here. That's way out in the open. Not looking forward to that. So I'm gonna walk down this trail a bit and see what we can find. Doesn't look like it on the camera, but there's not a whole lot of level spots. It's hard to tell here. It looks like a rock field. Great. Plenty of firewood. Okay. Looked over, saw this nice hemlock, and I am not far from the car. I'm like 150 feet. So this is not a backpacking trip or any of that by any stretch. But that's the only flat spot. No snow. No rocks. Oh yeah. This'll do. This'll do. Won't be a big fire, but I also brought my propane tank with me and my heater, so I don't freeze. And if that decides to crap out on me, I might be in the car because it's had some issues lately. At least the last time I used it. So we'll see. So it took a little coaxing, but I got this to run. It hasn't run probably well over a year and a half. Used matches to light the pilot light, just because I was impatient. Then I'll go walk up here and see if I can light a fire in that pavilion. There we go. So, I did find my hat. I brought my hat. A little happier now. There she is. Now these yellow marks. This is being marked for sale. These are all dead trees up here. So they're marking this for a salvage sale. It's really small. Basically, it's for safety because this used to be an old picnic area, and I think there might be some plans to reopen it. But we're gonna have people come in here, loggers come in here, and get rid of all the dead trees so you don't get killed in your sleep. There's the fire tower. Look at that. Somebody flew in. That's pretty slick. Alright. That's some decent wood. I don't know if I want to cook here or not. Oh. Please be kind. Replenish the wood stock as you burn for the next person. Also, tidy up. Keep nice. Leave the stones. Leave the stones. Those? That's all I can think of. Alright, well, this ain't bad. Okay, grab some of the wood, since everything else out here is really, really dry. Take that down, that way I can have a nice good fire. Something nice and dry to burn. Still cooking, good sign. Alright, I think I'm gonna shut that down, and then I'm gonna walk right down the path and just cut in. Drop this off, set my tent up, and I'll come back out for this tank. It's been a while since I had this one. That's interesting. Something's missing. Okay. Alright. Whew. Tank was heavy. Got this in here, all pilot lights on. Got the Kestrel in here. It says 48 degrees, I don't believe that. The car said like 34 on my way up. But, and now it's dark. Alrighty. All set. set squared away. Probably gonna have a little fire there. Not in between the trees, but a little out. So quiet. So quiet. So I'm up here at the car, and the camera's making it look like it's a lot brighter than it is. But that's the tent. Way down there on the very edge of that little beach. Of course, the beach is really close. So, according to this, it's 36.2 in here. And that's with the pilot light just running. This is only hanging maybe like 2 feet above me. So I'm gonna turn that bad boy on over there, and it'll probably cook real quick in this tiny tent. Okay, all done. Nice and cold. It's time to get up, put everything away, and go back to work. And tonight I'll be at home. Not too bad last night without my camping pad. Feet were cold. Sleeping bag. Not too bad last night. Feet were cold. Sleeping bag's only rated at 15. I think it's in the 20s last night. So I'm on the verge of the edge of that bag's, limit. So not too bad. Other than that, propane worked well. Didn't die in my sleep. Or did I? I don't know. That's it. Going to work.